Hey yo, what up guys? So I'm about to pack up the entire engine. I've cracked opened it for certain reasons, and I'm going to show you how to apply the Anabond, a proper way of doing that. There are two sets of Anabonds available in the market. One is this high temperature RTV rubber, and another one is this that is previously that is most commonly used by any mechanics. All right. So what they do is they just open it up, crack it open, and they start applying it all over the place. Let me show you. Let me just so what they do is these mechanics, they open it up and they start applying just like this, crazy. All right. What's gonna happen is that the half of the Anabond is gonna come inside and half of is gonna go outside. Now if it goes outside, it's not a big deal, but if it comes inside, it's a major problem. It can clog your oil flow or engine coolant. All right, we don't want to do that. All right, so I'm going to show you a proper way of doing that. You're going to need, either way, you can buy yourself one of these, the one that have this tip inside. If your Anabond does not have a tip inside, you can use any syringe just like this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff this injection with this Anabond, and we're going to apply just on the outer walls. All right, just a single layer, thick layer. All right, we don't need to apply it like crazy, just like you might have seen a lot of mechanics do this. It can clog your engine oil flow, believe me. Or I've seen this damage done by Anabond. You don't want to do that. All right, it can clog. Let me show you what's gonna happen. You see this little place, this hole, a little hole, this is where the engine oil comes up to your cylinder head, right over there. All right, so if this little hole gets clogged, the oil is gonna restrict, and it's gonna stop flowing to your cylinder head, and what's gonna happen is your camshafts are gonna ruin, they're gonna burn out. All right, so I'm gonna show you a proper and simple way of applying Anabond. First, let me just put the gears inside the camshaft, the crankshaft, and the gear changing drum, and let me show you proper way of doing that. All right, so I'm about to use this Anabond. You can see, because the major portion does not have any gasket inside. These two major crankcases, they don't have gasket inside.